Alrighty, Steven, here's your 347 small Ford. Description is combination. Got a set of our CNC heads on it, Edelbrock manifold, quick fuel carburetor, custom grind hydraulic roller. We got your factory pan on it for you, front end on it. Going to make a run. Since she does, stay tuned. Alrighty, 3,800, 410 foot-pounds of torque, peak torque 437, peak horsepower 492. We're rated at 500, front end's about 15, so it runs good. What we'll do is pull the pipes back, make sure it's good and clean for you, show you a couple other little things here. When you receive your engine, find this thing looks like a credit card, it's a USB card. It is full of technical information. And the crate will be a packet. It'll have this engine spec sheet. Highly recommend kind of read everything there. Have a great day.